Have you ever heard of the Roomba problem? Manufacturers have more factory data than ever, but much of it still exists in disconnected systems. Aron Semle explains how standardized data models can help manufacturers connect those systems and make factory data usable for AI and automation.
Factories are full of autonomous guided vehicles now, right? And they have been for a number of years. So these are forklifts that go around and kind of do their thing, bigger in warehouses, but you see them now in factories. In fact, I think I saw one of my local Sam's Club not too long ago too. So they're coming to the consumer space. But anyway, so a large manufacturer had 100 warehouses, right? And they had 4 different, because this is just how it is. It's really hard to standardize. They had 4 different vendors of AGVs. The business challenge they had is like, hey, AGVs, just like Roombas, get stuck, right? Although they're commercial grade, like the thing it's supposed to be moving in order and it gets stuck in the corner, and someone in the factory needs to be notified of that and go move it, reorient it, and start it, right? It's the Roomba problem. So the challenge is that, okay, we got 100 warehouses, we have 4 different AGV vendors, and if we look at each one of those vendors and how they expose data on where the AGV is it in operation or not? Is it supposed to be moving? When's the last time it moved? They're all different, right? So one exposes it, and just to get more technical, one exposes it over Modbus, one kind of does it over OPC UA, another one has a SQL database. So this is the problem, right? So what you do is you define your data model for what is the AGV, like what do we need to know to solve this use case? We call this a data product for the AGV. We need to know, is it in service or not? When's the last time it moved, and where is it, right? Very trivially. There might be other data we want. So we use industrial data ops in each of the sites to connect into the specific AGV vendor that's at that site to pull that information from, whether it's Modbus or UA or whatnot, into the common data model. And then this customer moved that into AWS, where they had basically a Lambda function, but a little bit of logic that said, hey, is this thing stuck? And then if they detected it was stuck, they would move a notification back down to the factory, where data ops would be used to push that notification into whatever SCADA HMI system they had that the operators were used to. It could be Ignition, could be Factory View, whatever, so that a notification came up on the screen that said, hey, this AGV is stuck. Here's where it's at. Go move it, right? But since you have that common infrastructure from the definition or data product from the factory up, you do the factory wiring, and then every factory can enable that use case as an example. So that's just one, but it can take all kinds of data, whether it's OEE, whether it's the CNC machine, but it's usually tied to a business problem. What data do we need to solve that problem?
You can hear more of Aron's stories in our special episode with him, dropping July 2nd on assemblymag.com. And tune into more episodes of Assembly Audible right now.